Hi, I'm JP LaFollette. I'm from Fairmont, West Virginia, which is about 120 miles away from here. This is my Superliner. I've always tried to find the more unique pieces, and this is only one of 5 made in 1980 that were a single axle 8V92 with 13 speed. They were sent to California, and one of my friends purchased off the original owner. It actually pulled doubles hauling asphalt. I just think it's a very unique, cool piece, and it definitely draws attention more than anything.
Flatbed Red likes it a whole lot.
Oh, well, thank you. Well, I've commissioned you to paint it or do your watercolor before, so
Exactly.
it's awesome. But yes, and I have a little low boy for it, and I drag around some of my other antiques, or if we actually find something else to purchase, yeah, we drag it home. So
In style.
In style, exactly. So
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
absolutely, thank you.